The person who hit snooze this morning isn't you. It's your weak self. And it's been winning every day of your life. The samurai had 4 rules to kill that weak self before it even woke up. Here's how. Rule 1. The 5-second shio. You think laziness means you don't want to get up. Wrong. Laziness is the space between the alarm and action. That 5-second pause, that's where you lose. The samurai called it shio, rigorous training that forges mental steel. Here's what no one tells you. Every second you lie there, you're not resting, you're practicing being someone who doesn't keep promises. Your brain is rehearsing weakness. Buddhist monks sit under freezing waterfalls. They don't negotiate with the cold. They don't count to 3. They just go. So here's rule 1. When the alarm rings, your feet hit the floor within 5 seconds. No thinking. No talking yourself out of it. This isn't about motivation. It's about killing the conversation. That voice saying, 5 more minutes won't hurt. That's your weak self talking. And it's been winning every morning of your life. Tomorrow, don't negotiate with it. Just move. Rule 2. The ritual of discipline. You're not getting ready for the day. You're in the day. This is it. Brushing your teeth. That's practice. Making your bed. That's training. The samurai called this Budo, turning your whole life into a dojo. They understood. How you do anything is how you do everything. If you can't make your bed with discipline, how will you handle the 3 p.m. crisis with discipline? So pick 3 morning actions. Do them the same way, in the same order, every single day. No exceptions. No negotiations. That chaos you feel when you're rushing, half-dressed, can't find your keys. That's not bad luck. That's what happens when discipline skips breakfast. The samurai had a saying. 1. Matters of small concern should be treated seriously. Matters of great concern should be treated lightly. Sounds backward, right? It's not. When you treat your morning coffee like a sacred ritual, the board meeting becomes just another moment. That's why they could face death without flinching. They practice discipline in 10,000 tiny moments. Your morning isn't preparation for life. It is life. Rule 3. Do the thing you avoid. Real warriors didn't train in comfort forever. They sought discomfort on purpose. The samurai called it musha shio, the warrior's pilgrimage. Yours starts at dawn. The workout you skip isn't about fitness. The cold shower you avoid isn't about temperature. It's about whether you face hard things or keep negotiating with yourself until you find an easier path. Every morning, do one thing you resist. A cold shower. A workout. That tough email. 20 minutes of silence. It doesn't matter what, just do it first, before your weak self wakes up. You've been saying you'll start working out for months. Know why you haven't? Because you're waiting for the right time. There is no right time. There's only 6 a.m. before your excuses wake up. The pilgrimage doesn't start when you're ready. It starts when you begin. Rule 4. Become the rule. The first 3 rules are about following, copying, obeying. It'll feel mechanical, and that's the point. But around day 30 or 40, something changes. You stop doing your morning. You become your morning. The alarm rings, and your feet hit the floor before you even think. The ritual happens through you, not by you. The Japanese call this ryu, transcendence. You don't choose discipline anymore. You are discipline. Follow the process for 100 days. Not for perfection, for transformation. You're not building a routine. You're building a new identity. Miyamoto Musashi went undefeated in 60 duels, not because he practiced sword techniques, but because he became the sword. His hand and blade were one. Your choice. Tomorrow morning, that alarm will go off, and you'll have 2 paths. Path 1, hit snooze. Negotiate. Promise yourself, tomorrow I'll really do it. That's fine. Most people live their whole lives that way. Path 2, remember this moment. Feet hit floor in 5 seconds. Do the ritual. Face what you avoid. And 100 days from now, you won't even recognize the person you are today. The samurai said, tomorrow's battle is won during today's practice. Your tomorrow is being decided right now by what you do when that alarm rings. You don't need motivation. You just need to begin. The path will teach you everything else. Your evolution starts tomorrow at dawn. Don't negotiate with it.